Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable blind spot detection on your XPeng vehicle. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the vehicle icon to open up our vehicle settings. I am on the XPeng P7 Plus Performance, so the settings of course may vary, but it's all the same pretty much. Now we're going to go to the driver assistance, and here we want to go to Lateral Safety. Once we're here, we should see the blind spot detection, and we can turn off our blind spot detection. Now it will not detect something that we cannot see. It's really important that you actually enable this feature because it will detect something you cannot see. It's really amazing. And here you have a video of that. So as you guys can see, you cannot see those cars, but with the blind spot detection, you will see them as a warning in your mirrors. So you will see this icon, specifically the orange one, that the vehicle behind us is coming right next to us. And even though we cannot see it, we will see it in our mirrors that there's something in our blind spot. So it's pretty amazing, and that's basically how it works. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.